Hi guys, it's Travis here. I'm here to help you make great content on YouTube. Okay. Um, Today I'll show you guys how to set up your GH4 to take manual focus easier with your GH4. Okay. Some people can't manual focus, but there's tools in the GH4 and other Panasonic camera. But mainly the GH4 can do this one. I set it to aim, okay, but you can change it to custom aim. Okay, moving mode. Press down and lock. Good. Right now I'm in menu focus right there. Set menu focus right there. Right, menu focus, and that will set your menu focus. Okay, in camera you got to change to single point AF focus, continuous AF focus in the middle, and menu focus. Okay, go to menu focus right there. But the point of this tutorial is show you guys how to set up your custom white balance. So it's easy for yourself to do manual focus. Let me increase the ISO. I mean 32, 35, why not? Now go to your menu. It's here, right there, right? Menu. For this is when you want to manual focus for your slow motion, because with the GH4 it doesn't do like autofocus in slow motion. Or variable frame rate, depends on what you look at. Okay, so what you do, you gotta set up your camera so it make it easy for yourself. Okay, so record quality is 24 frame, because when you do slow motion, okay, it's only take at full HD. And that's how I got a lot of videos about how you can do that. Okay, now what you do to get into make it easy for yourself is go to custom menu here, this one here, the range, you go there. Okay, range and see peaking is it's on the 4, okay, on 4 page. Peaking, you want to set it first the color you want, so you can change the color. This one have green. Okay, green, hopefully it can show up. Aqua, yellow, or green. I select green. Okay, set green. Okay, detection high. Okay, so let's turn back to the original. And there's more guy highlight and all the stuff, but today we're just talking about peaking. Okay, focus peaking. The other setting you want to make is the monochrome. Let me go back. Monochrome view. Okay, so basically it set your screen here, or your EVF. When you look into here, into viewfinder, it will turn black and white. See, it turn black and white, and it'll be so much easier. And when you manual focus, because you have focus peaking turn up. Okay, so you make sure you do that 2 settings. Okay, so turn on mono view. Okay, let me show you how now it's black and white. Okay, this is green. The screwdriver is green. Okay, now it's black and white. So my hand finger, now it's turned black and white. Okay, now since we're on manual focus, I'll show you how it looks. Turn the ring. Slowly Yeah, we nailed it there. But how come the green is not turned on? Okay, what's going on there? Okay. You want to shoot at 180 shutter angle. Let me have a look. Do we turn focus peaking on? Zebra on. Focus peaking off. Okay. Now it's turn to set it on. Green. High. Move back. Turn it on. Focus peaking on. Okay. Now can you see that? It's all green, right? You can change different color you want. It's in focus right now. It's green, right? Out focus. When it's turned green, there you go, the Lumix G. It's turned on. Green. That's when you know you nailed the focus. That's out focus. Turn back on. When it's the green show up. More green show up. There you go. You know you're in focus. So let's it out. So it's all light up. And take a video. To B-roll. That's it. It's in focus. Easy, right? Now, after that, right, you want to set up your custom settings for this, okay? And I'll show you how to do that as well, okay? So you go to, you like this kind of settings, right? You go back to your menu. Go back to your menu. Go up here. Custom menu. So page 1. Go there and you set it to whatever settings you would like to do, okay? For me, I like to go C1. Okay, and say yes. Complete. Now I just switch it back to, so I can't switch it now. Unlock it. Go to C1. Focus peaking is still on. See? Turn to C2 now. Color. Okay. I'm on C1. So it's back to black and white. So once you do that, you have your custom menu ready. And you will nail this every time. This settings here, black and white, and the color will show up in your focus. There you go. You nailed it. How easy it is for menu focus. Easy. So if this is where you behind the camera, and you use focus peaking and the black and white viewfinder or screen to nail your focus. Simple, easy, and you don't have to spend $1 million on a full frame camera to make good photos. Okay. This guy was here. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment to know that I'm help you guys, with your settings here. Go out there, create a lot of contents. See you next time. Bye.